Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to smoothen out your transitions inside of DaVinci Resolve. So in particular, we're going to be easing the transitions in and out, and I'll show you what that looks like in just a moment. So I'm going to drag a few clips here into my timeline, and I'm just going to make them overlap a bit and adjust the trim. So now that we have comfortable space to work with here, I'm going to go to the FX tab. Then I'm just going to add something in, like maybe this push animation. So if we watch it through right now, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's very plain. The speed is very linear and it isn't as pleasing on the eyes as it can be. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that the transition is highlighted, and then we're going to click on this button here at the top left. This is the keyframes window. So once you've opened up the keyframes window, make sure that you're set to view the curves. So you can do so by clicking on this button right here at the top left, keyframe curves, and just making sure that transition is enabled. So you might want to click on this if you don't see it naturally. So I'm going to add two keyframes here. So I'm just going to click here and here right after selecting the add keyframe tool. Then I'm just going to go back into pointer mode. I'm just going to move these a bit to the right and this one a bit to the left and up. So we want to be able to add an S-shaped curve here into our keyframe graph, into our keyframe curve. Once that's done, you can go ahead and hit Control A on your keyboard, and this should select all the nodes. Go ahead and right click one, and then just click this button right here. This is to ease it in and out. There we go. So now as you can see, we have a pretty decent looking curve. I'm just going to change the angle of these a bit. That way we can sort of normalize the speed a little. So now we have a nice and smooth S-shaped curve. You can also move these handlebars around if you want to tweak it even further, but generally anything that is about this shape should look good.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. You see, my team and I publish easy to use step-by-step editing tutorials to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding this video useful and would like to learn more, I would really appreciate if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button to show some support, give this video a like, and of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release videos coming out every single day. Now, let's continue.
So let's go ahead and rewind our timeline and let's watch the transition play out. There we go. As you can see, it was a lot smoother. The speed wasn't very linear. The speed started slow, went up really fast, and then slowed down at the end. So if you're ever wondering how people make those nice, smooth, and seamless transitions, that's how they do it. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.